Hi guys, it's your face here, and this is cabin 8244 on Anthem of the Seas. It is a standard balcony cabin. As you come in, you get all of the information. As it is a standard room, you don't get the making up room anymore because they only make up once a day. You get a thermostat and the card to switch on the lights. This is, you can use anyone on this ship, which is really helpful, so you can just keep it in so you can keep the room air conditioned. Full length mirror here. As you come in here, you have the bathroom. Nice sized bathroom. It's got lots of space down here, lots of storage over there, and lots of surface space that you can got lots of stuff to put if you need to. Shower is the decent size. Also, you do have like these hangings in here, hanging in here and here. It's just because they don't actually have a washing line. Normally there's like a washing line in the shower, but they do not have this on this ship. You come here to the desk area and more storage space. Lots and lots of surface space. This is one of those smart tables, so it does come in and go out, and it goes, you can basically put it wherever you want. Mini fridge is in here. More drawers. You do get your European, American, I don't know which one's which, and USB, and the light for the, that's for that one over there, for the mirror, which is good to know. Then you do have storage space over here, two wardrobes. This one will be with the half hanging, with one rail there, one rail here, and this one will be one rail down here and lots of cubby holes with the safe. And you get two drawers in this one as well. Really nice sofa. This does turn into a sofa bed in this one. So yeah, this one can fit up to 4 people. You have 2 storage spaces up here, which is really helpful. Really helpful. You can store lots in there. So here's the bed area, and you have the TV here. You can do stuff like look at the room service menu, but then you need to call them, and you can look at your bill on the TV. They have some good channels as well, especially Sports 24 for people that want to watch Premier League on Anthem of the Seas. So now you come to the balcony. So this is a standard balcony, but if you check out my other standard balcony on deck 12, where this is positioned, you do get a longer balcony just because of the lack of where it is. Whereas where basically the hump of the ship comes out. And if you look over that way, you can see it's coming out. So you do get, for the same price, extra balcony. So you always look at these deck plans, because you can get extra stuff for basically nothing. So yeah, you get 2 chairs, still the same 2 chairs and table, but you just get a bit more space. So you can be a bit more sheltered from the wind, which is quite good. This is open because we have the cabin next door, so this, if you're just here, will be closed, and this is what your space will be, which for a standard balcony is a lot of space, which is really good. Yeah, especially because you can see it, so you can see like that's the back of the ship. You can't really see the front. You can see a bit of a bridge over there, but yeah, it's a really nice sized balcony. The only thing I've seen from a few of these cabins is a bit of the wear and tear. The ship is getting 8 years old. It will be going into dry dock in 2 years' time. And also, I don't even know what that is. I think one of these have come out. The things at the bottom, but they can get that fixed. But yeah, you just see that a bit of wear and tear. But it is 8 years old, and after the season now, it's not as new as it used to be. So yeah, but they keep it maintained. The ship's very nice, so I wouldn't worry too much about that depending on what room you get. They all are very nice. So thank you so much for watching. It's been Shipface here. This was cabin 8244 on Anthem of the Seas. Thank you so much for watching. It's been Shipface here. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.